Hello, I'm gonna roast some chicken today. This is a roasted chicken, roasting chicken. Just marinated from the store. We bought it from the store, but I put a bit of more seasoning to make it nicer. Because this one they just simply put the black pepper and this kind of thing that they put, but it's not really clean. Then it's disgusting. But anyway, I'm gonna roast it now. I fix it, so we'll see it later. Bye. And chips. I'm gonna cook some chips. Bye. This is the roast chicken, and then now I'm gonna cook some chips later. So they're gonna have roast chicken and chips. That's the chicken. I just flipped it over. Oh, look at this. Oh. Here is the chicken. I'm roasting it. Another 30 minutes, probably. Look at that. I'm gonna cook some chips, so I put the fats now, cooking oil in here. I use this again because I just used it yesterday for chips. It's okay to keep repeating for 3 times. Otherwise, after 3 times, no more. Otherwise, you're gonna get more contamination. But anyway, just only chips that I cook in here, and that's it. Thank you.
It's a good idea for one of us at least to look at that list on the fridge every day. First thing when you come downstairs is
Hello. This is the chips now that I am cooking. That's only for one person, yeah? Second batch. Second batch. So this is the chips. And this is our broccoli and asparagus later. And the chicken gravy that I'm gonna make. Yeah, I'm gonna stir fry the asparagus. I just put 1 tablespoon of margarine instead of oil. My chips so. It's asparagus. Just saute it like this. Stir fry. I think this one will do. And that one will do. It's boiling now. Yeah. This is my asparagus that I am sauteing. And this is the chicken that I am gonna portion it for everybody's consuming. It's nearly finished. And this one is nearly boiled. And this one, this is for 8 people. Yeah. So we do that.